This is a Blackbeard Fire Plasma Arc Lighter, and this is a user rechargeable igniter lighter, so to speak, but it doesn't have any butane or any sort of petroleum-based fuel. It just creates a very high-intensity spark by arcing a electrical plasma arc between 4 different diodes at the very top, similar to how the igniter works on your gas stove. Now, it comes with a USB-C charging cable and a lanyard, and we're going to test out how easy it is to use next. And here is the Blackbeard Plasma Arc Lighter. It is about the size and heft of a Zippo lighter, but the case is polymer plastic with a rubberized coating to provide a really good grip even in the wet. And the unit itself is impact and water resistant. There is a locking latch there. You pry that down and you press on the release and it pops right open. And these are your igniter elements. These are 4 diodes.
Alright, I'm not an electrical engineer, or even an electrician, so perhaps I'm using the terminology incorrectly. Perhaps they're not diodes, but electrodes. If you know, please leave me a comment and let us all know. Thanks.
Press this button here. You can see there's an X-shaped arc of high intensity electricity between those diodes, and that will ignite your kindling or fuel. And there's a little LED light when you attach a USB-C charging cable to it. It lights up to tell you that it's charging, and just close it up. It's ready to go. Before we get into the test, I'd like to take a quick break here and talk about this episode's sponsor, Aura. You've seen the news with those massive security breaches at those big companies that have compromised mine and probably your data. And that's why it's important to have personal digital security. And that's why I use Aura. For the price of a typical VPN, not only getting VPN service, but I'm getting spam blockers, junk mail blockers. In fact, they're removing my name from those damn broker lists. And they offer a comprehensive suite of services, including fraud alerts, scam alerts, and credit monitoring. Try it out yourself for free. Go to aura.com/moondog and sign up for a 14-day free trial. No commitments. And you're helping support this channel. You know, identity fraud is a real thing, and with AI, it's all too easy to spoof your identity. That's why you should try out Aura. Alright, let's get back to the tests.
Blackbeard sent me their fire plugs along with a Pirate Plunder kit, which included the plasma lighter, and their fire starter sticks. They claim their products are waterproof, so I tested that claim by soaking them in water for an hour. You'll find a link to the time-lapse in this video's description. After an hour, I shook off the wet fire plugs and prepared them following the instructions on the packaging. Let's see if the plasma lighter can get it going.
Yeah, there you go. It did start. Was in there for an hour, and wow, I'm impressed. And it is a pretty breezy day, so that's probably what...
Alright, let's try the fire starter rope sticks next, because they're kind of damp. And not only are they damp, but it's also windy, so it's taking a little longer than the fire plugs.
There we go. Oh, gotta be blown out. Yeah. It's a really windy day.
Well, I'll eventually get this thing going, but it does show that even under adverse conditions, this plasma lighter is capable of getting even damp kindling alight. Yay, there we go. And if you're interested in this lighter or this fire starter kit, I have product links as well as more information in my full write-up at moondogindustries.com. Check out that article and use the links to help support this channel. If you have any questions or criticisms, leave me a comment. And don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell buttons before you jump off to the next video. It's absolutely free, just takes a second, so I appreciate that. Thanks for watching. Moondog, out. Hey, I'd like to know what you thought of this video. Leave me a comment or chat with me on Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, MeWe, Instagram, or Locals. And if you want to see all of my videos, go to moondogindustries.com.